Namaskar. Welcome to another episode of Editorial. I was waiting for our good Prime Minister to address the nation at 4 o'clock, understand what he is saying, and then possibly add my 2 bits as I usually do and present it to you. Let's get right into the show. You see, long ago, some of our elders would tell us that it is always better to go and tell people what you want them to hear rather than ask them what you want me to tell you. Because if you ask a person what you want me to tell you, then you are obliged to give him or answer his questions. You are obliged to actually tell him what exactly is that what he wants to know. So if you go and you say what you want to tell him, then he doesn't have a choice but to listen to you. I think more often than not, that is what is happening with our good Prime Minister. Our good Prime Minister comes on national television and speaks his Mann Ki Baat. More often than not, that is his Mann Ki Baat. I don't know when he will start speaking our Kaam Ki Baat. The Pradhan Mantri said that they launched the Pradhan Mantri Kalyan Yojana. Under the scheme, a package of 1.75 lakh crore was provided to the poor. He said that was a very intelligent move of his government. He said, in the last 3 months, 20 crore poor household had received a direct benefit transfer worth rupees 31,000 crores. 31,000 crores was provided to 20 crore households. He said, during this period, 18,000 crores have been deposited in the bank accounts of over 9 crore farmers. He said, Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan was quickly launched for employment of Shramiks in rural areas where government is spending around 15,000 crores on this. Government is spending a lot of money. In fact, he said that, you see, he has been offering free ration to 80 crore people in India. 80 crore people in India have been getting free ration for the last 3 months. And he said, he is going to continue giving these people ration till November. He said they have already spent till now up to 50,000 crores in the last 3 months, and he will continue to spend another 90,000 crores, which makes the total figure for giving rations, free rations to people, total figure at 1.5 lakh crores. Okay. Long and short, this is what he said. Then, of course, he asked you to take care of yourself. This was the Prime Minister's address to the nation. I wonder whether, this kind of information could have been tweeted also, I guess. A tweet would have also given all this information. A press release would have also given this information. One postcard and, put in front of television would have given the information, like I just said, 4 or 5 points. Those things would have also given us this information. Unfortunately, there was nothing about the 20 lakh crore that was supposed to be given as stimuli to the economy. Nothing was mentioned about that. Nothing was mentioned about the 3 lakh crore that was supposed to be pumped into MSMEs. Nothing was said about that. Nothing was spoken about the revival of the economy. Nothing was said about that. But of course, he spoke what he wanted to. Another thing that was eagerly awaited is his stance on China. He went and he had told that there was no incursion, there was no Chinese incursion in Indian soil. He had said that. China also said, देखो, Indian Prime Minister भी बोल रहा है और आप बोल रहे हो भाई हमने कब्जा किया है. They also said it. Of course, that statement was withdrawn in a lot of forums. It was not withdrawn. We thought there will be some clarity to that. कि भाई actually incursion हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है. Nothing was spoken about that. Boycott China product was almost a hashtag, the most trending hashtag in India. Nothing was spoken about that. In fact, the word China was not uttered. in the 20 minutes odd that he spoke. This is as far as our good Prime Minister's today's address to the nation was concerned. Now, a few observations. You see, I thought the Prime Minister lacked his usual confidence. I thought our good Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, was tired today. I thought the Prime Minister was forcing himself to speak to the nation today. And I will tell you why I think that. The confident Narendra Modi comes in front of the camera and asks you for things. He will say, मुझे 9 दिन दो, मुझे 5 बजे ताली बजाओ, घंटी बजाओ, दिया जलाओ, so on and so forth. He will ask of you, and that is how he exuberates his confidence. By literally saying that if I ask the nation, you will give me. That's the way of him showing his confidence. That wasn't there. After a long time, in this speech, Narendra Modi asked for nothing from you. Number one. Number two is, I want to play the first clip, the first time he addressed during this COVID, during the lockdown and all of that. I want you to see the first time he came in front of you and spoke. Just see that clip. And what we will do is, we will compare it to how and what he spoke today. Here's the first clip.
रविवार को यानी जनता कर्फ्यू के दिन शाम को ठीक 5 बजे हम अपने घर के दरवाजे पर खड़े होकर या बालकनी में या खिड़कियों के सामने खड़े होकर 5 मिनट तक रविवार को शाम को 5 बजे 5 मिनट तक ऐसे लोगों का आभार व्यक्त करें। साथियों, आज के फैसले ने, देशव्यापी लॉकडाउन ने आपके घर के दरवाजे पर एक लक्ष्मण रेखा खींच दी है। आपको ये याद रखना है कि घर से बाहर पड़ने वाला आपका सिर्फ एक कदम कोरोना जैसी गंभीर महामारी को आपके घर में ले आ सकता है। साथियों, हाल में सरकार ने कोरोना संकट से जुड़ी जो आर्थिक घोषणाएं की थी, जो रिजर्व बैंक के फैसले थे और आज जिस आर्थिक पैकेज का ऐलान हो रहा है, उसे जोड़ दें तो ये करीब 20 लाख करोड़ रुपए का है। 20 लाख करोड़ रुपए का है।
We were getting into a pandemic. Things were very uncertain. Things were looking very difficult, but there was tremendous amount of confidence in Shri Narendra Modi. He had tremendous amount of confidence, and he was exuberating that confidence. Look at how he spoke today.
समय पर किए गए लॉकडाउन और अन्य फैसलों ने भारत में लाखों लोगों का जीवन बचाया है, लेकिन हम ये भी देख रहे हैं कि जब से देश में अनलॉक 1 हुआ है, व्यक्तिगत और सामाजिक व्यवहार में लापरवाही जरा बढ़ती ही चली जा रही है। पहले हम मास्क को लेकर, 2 गज की दूरी को लेकर 20 सेकंड तक दिन में कई बार हाथ धोने को लेकर बहुत सतर्क थे। लेकिन आज जब हमें ज्यादा सतर्कता की जरूरत है तो लापरवाही बढ़ना बहुत ही चिंता का कारण है।
Somewhere down the line, he was a little weak. He was tired and he was not that confident. He was not that aggressive. Has our Prime Minister lost his confidence? Is he tired? I leave you with those questions till we meet next time. Namaskar.